we will to parachute all the guns of the force. Get ready, airborne from skies of blue. Get in the door, coming. Make the jumps and take your boats today. Let's go, put on your boots, your jumping boots, your parachute, your parachute.
And today on Have a Knife Day, I'm here to share with you an upcoming knife show. It is the California Knife Expo 2025, presented by the California Knife Makers Association, of which I am a member of. We cordially invite the general public to join us on February 22nd, 2025 for an incredible display of the finest handmade custom, mid-tech, and high-end factory knives available for sale. You get to meet the makers and come to the expo for a chance to win the 2025 club knife. Raffle tickets will be sold at the show, and I do believe this year's blade design is a Persian fixed blade. And like I said before, February 22nd, 2025, 10 to 5 p.m. The address, and I'll put a little map up there for you, Brea Community Center, 695 East Madison Way, Brea, California, 92821. That is in Orange County, California. For exhibitors' inquiries and application, contact info@kelknives.org. Please visit them on Facebook and Instagram, and that'll be Kel Knives. Admission is $10. If you have a flyer such as this, that'll be $5 off with this flyer. An entry to door prize raffle, free parking, free admission for military, veterans, police, firefighters, children 12 and under. So there you go. So let me bring this up a little bit higher for you to take a look. I've been going to this event for several years now. I decided to join the California Knife Makers Association. Excuse, I stumbled a bit there. Eventually, I would like to make my own knife. There you go. And what you see on the left and the right-hand side are two of the knives that I found at different years. I do believe this one is from last year and this one is from the year before. This is a handmade Bowie knife from a file with a brass guard, and that is pine cone. And there is a video already posted for that. And check this out. This is from Cold Steel. And this is the R1 Military Classic. And it was made in Japan. And I saw this on display for one of the vendors, and lickety split, I picked this up because I really enjoy the knife style, and it was really cool to find this style of knife made by Cold Steel. And there you go. So please come over and check it out. Gee whiz, you're going to save money on parking since the parking is free. You're going to actually meet the makers of the knives on display. I do believe ProTech Knives will be there amongst many others. So there you go. From me to you, I hope you're having a great day. Come over and check out these fine knives, and as always, have a knife day.
We will to parachute all the guns of the force.